GC America introduces G-aenial Sculpt, a universal light-cured nano-hybrid composite that is a great companion to the proven G-aenial universal flow composite restorative. Like other universal composites, it can be shaped and sculpted, and anatomy can be added prior to light curing. G-aenial Sculpt is indicated for use as a direct restorative for all classes of restorations. It can be used for Class 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 cavities, for wedge-shaped defects and root surface cavities, and for veneers and diastema closures. Regardless of what type of restoration it is used for, G-aenial Sculpt is the universal composite that keeps polishing in the mouth. This self-polishing or self-shining effect is made possible by GC's unique uniform dispersion nanofiller technology. GC's nanofiller technology uses a high-density inorganic filler, in this case a 300 nanometer barium glass particle nanofiller, and disperses it evenly throughout the composite. This barium glass particle nanofiller makes up 78% of G-aenial Sculpt by weight. As a result, even in areas that are difficult to polish, filled G-aenial Sculpt obtains a high gloss with daily brushing. As with the other members of the G-aenial family, this self-polishing effect provides a high shine gloss value over time and increasing gloss value for 12,000 brush cycles or up to 1 year after placement. G-aenial Sculpt's nanofiller technology not only provides high-strength aesthetics and maximizes polish retention, it also provides low shrinkage stress and extraordinary wear resistance, wearing better than other nanofiller universal composite restoratives. With some composites, normal wear results in large particles at the surface getting plucked off, leaving a void on the surface that makes the restoration rough. This roughness in turn can prevent the normal smooth movement of opposing teeth. In contrast, thanks to its homogeneously dispersed nanoparticles, G-aenial Sculpt enables you to provide patients with restorations that maintain their smooth surfaces. This excellent wear resistance has been proven both in practice and by wear resistance tests. You will also appreciate G-aenial Sculpt's ideal handling properties. The composite is easy to shape and then stays in place once shaped. This, of course, is one of the reasons why it can be placed in both anterior and posterior restorations. Once you sculpt G-aenial Sculpt, slumping is virtually non-existent. After the restoration is complete, G-aenial Sculpt provides excellent radiopacity as well, measured at over 300% to aluminum, which is more than most other composites. Finally, both you and your patients will appreciate G-aenial Sculpt's beautiful, lasting aesthetics. G-aenial Sculpt has a great chameleon effect that enables shades to adapt to the tooth. This means that even without an opaque shade, the filled area does not look dark or gray. 17 Vita shades are available that match exactly to the same shades in GC's G-aenial Universal Flow injectable composite, enabling easy use of both products in practice. For small cavities, the use of one universal shade alone will usually be sufficient. In cases where a higher degree of translucency is needed, one of the enamel shades can be selected. For large and/or deep cavities, a multi-shade layering technique will usually give the most aesthetic results. Choose an appropriate opaque shade to block out shine-through from the oral cavity or to mask dentin. Continue to build up with a universal shade, and then use an enamel shade for the final composite layer. The G-aenial Sculpt composite is available in 2 delivery systems, syringe or convenient unit tips. Contour it using standard techniques, light cure, and then finish and polish. With G-aenial Sculpt, you get the benefits of a universal composite that is easy to shape, sculpt, and polish. And your patients get strong, wear-resistant, and radiopaque restorations that will look beautiful the day you create them, and then continue to increase in polish, looking even better over time. Exactly what you would expect from GC America.